Today, we're going to learn how to draw a turtle. When drawing anything, it's best to mark out basic shapes for your picture using faint lines before you begin to add more detail. Use a pencil for this, and then use a pen to draw out the final line work. Let's start by drawing a big semicircle with a slightly curved line at the bottom. Then, we're going to draw a circle for the turtle's head. At the bottom of his body, mark out 2 sausage shapes for his legs and a little point here for his tail. It's time to switch to our pen to draw our outlines. Starting from halfway up the turtle's head, draw halfway around until you reach this point here. Draw a little arch and a wiggly line back into his head for the turtle's mouth. Make sure he has a big smile. From underneath your wiggly line, carry on outlining the rest of the turtle's head. Moving on to his shell, mark your pen all the way along the top until you reach this point and come out just a tiny bit before rejoining your shell line. Then start making this pattern by slightly bringing your pen upwards, then back down, all around the rest of your shell. From there, we're going to draw around his fins. Make your fin lines a little bit jagged, then smooth them out as you continue to draw around them. Do the same for the other fin, again making the line slightly jagged, then drawing back up to his shell. Don't forget his tail. We need to give him some rear fins too, here and here. Let's add some more details. We're going to add a little nostril in the middle of his nose. Then we're going to draw a big eye. Pretend you're drawing a big circle, stopping before you attach both ends, as you'll draw a straight line to connect them both. To make him look cheerful and happy, draw a curved line down his eye. Pop in a little circle inside for a highlight and colour in just that section of the eye. Shall we move on to his shell? Add in some random squidgy looking shapes on his shell. Make sure they have gaps in between. Some can be big, some can be smaller. Leaving a gap makes them look like they all slot together. Wait for the pen to dry, and you can rub out your pencil markings. Now that's how you draw a turtle. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out to see what else you can draw with a few simple shapes.